नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है द रियल गोल्स में। आज हम बात करेंगे इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग के कुछ सीक्रेट टिप्स के बारे में जो आपके ट्रेडिंग एक्सपीरियंस को नई ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएगा। देखो दोस्त, ट्रेडिंग एक ऐसा गेम है जहां नॉलेज ही पावर है और आज हम वो पावर आपके हाथ में देने वाले हैं। इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग स्पेसिफिकली एक ऐसा स्किल है जिसको मास्टर करने के बाद आप मार्केट से कंसिस्टेंटली प्रॉफिट निकाल सकते हो। तो अगर आप रेडी हो तो अपने ट्रेडिंग गेम को नेक्स्ट लेवल तक ले जाने के लिए, तो भाई सीट बेल्ट्स बांध लो क्योंकि ये जर्नी होने वाली है एपिक। सबसे पहला सीक्रेट है बेसिक्स को समझना। इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग का मतलब है एक ही दिन में शेयर्स को खरीदना और बेचना। सिंपल, राइट? बट होल्ड ऑन दोस्त, it's not as easy as it sounds. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump into the driver's seat of a Ferrari without knowing how to drive, right? Same goes for intraday trading. You need to understand the rules of the road, mechanics of the market, before you even think about putting your money on the line. So, what are these basics? Well, you need to understand things like order types, market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders. These are your weapons in the trading arena. Then there's technical analysis, charts, indicators, candlestick patterns. These are your maps, your compass, guiding you through the market's ups and downs. And let's not forget risk management, the seatbelt that keeps you safe when the trading road gets bumpy. You need to know how much you're willing to risk on each trade, how to set stop losses to protect your capital. Master these basics and you'll have a strong foundation for building your trading empire. Ignore them. And well, let's just say you'll be learning some expensive lessons. दूसरा सीक्रेट है एक सॉलिड ट्रेडिंग प्लान बनाना। ये प्लान आपके एंट्री और एग्जिट पॉइंट्स, स्टॉप लॉस और प्रॉफिट टारगेट्स को डिफाइन करता है। जब आपके पास एक क्लियर प्लान होता है तो आप इमोशंस को कंट्रोल में रख सकते हैं और डिसिप्लिन ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हैं। A solid trading plan is your roadmap to success in the market. But here's the thing. Having a plan is not enough. You need to stick to it even when the market throws you curveballs. A trading plan acts as your anchor, keeping you grounded and disciplined. तीसरा सीक्रेट है टेक्निकल एनालिसिस को मास्टर करना। चार्ट्स और इंडिकेटर्स का इस्तेमाल करके आप मार्केट ट्रेंड्स को पहचान सकते हैं। मूविंग एवरेजेस, RSI, MACD जैसे इंडिकेटर्स आपकी मदद करते हैं सही एंट्री और एग्जिट पॉइंट्स आइडेंटिफाई करने में। Think of the market as a living, breathing entity. It speaks its own language, a language of charts, patterns, and indicators. Technical analysis is the art of understanding this language. Charts like candlestick charts and line charts are your window into the market's past and present. They show you the price action, the battles between buyers and sellers. Indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD are your tools for interpreting this price action. They help you identify trends, spot potential reversals, and pinpoint entry and exit points. But remember, technical analysis is not about predicting the future. It's about understanding probabilities, about reading the market's signals and making informed trading decisions. It's like being a detective, looking for clues and piecing together the puzzle of the market. The more you study technical analysis, the more fluent you become in the market's language. You'll start to see patterns emerge to recognize opportunities that others might miss. And that, my friend, is where the real profits lie. Chapter 4. The Art of Risk Management. Protecting your hard-earned capital. चौथा सीक्रेट है रिस्क मैनेजमेंट। कभी भी अपने कैपिटल का ज्यादा हिस्सा एक ही ट्रेड में इन्वेस्ट ना करें। डाइवर्सिफाई करें और स्टॉप लॉस का इस्तेमाल जरूर करें ताकि बड़े नुकसान से बचा जा सके। रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इज योर शील्ड, योर आर्मर अगेंस्ट द मार्केट्स इनेविटेबल ब्लोज। इट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ स्मॉल स्क्रैच एंड अ फेटल वुंड। Even the best traders don't win every trade. They often lose more trades than they win. So, how do they still come out on top? Risk management. Trading is a game of probabilities. Manage your risk accordingly. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on a single trade. Diversify your portfolio, not putting all your eggs in one basket. Set stop loss orders to limit your potential losses. Think of stop losses as your emergency brakes. They might not always be comfortable to hit, but they can save you from a major crash. Preserving your capital is just as important as making profits. Chapter 5. Staying ahead of the curve. The importance of market news. पांचवा सीक्रेट है मार्केट न्यूज के साथ अपडेटेड रहना. इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स, कंपनी अनाउंसमेंट्स और ग्लोबल इवेंट्स का मार्केट पर इंपैक्ट पड़ता है. न्यूज के साथ अपडेटेड रहने से आप सही डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. द मार्केट इज अ डायनामिक, एवर चेंजिंग बीस्ट इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय अ कांस्टेंट स्ट्रीम ऑफ न्यूज एंड इवेंट्स. इकोनॉमिक इंडिकेटर्स, company announcements, geopolitical developments, all these factors can send ripples through the market, creating both opportunities and risks for traders. Staying updated with market news is like having your ear to the ground, listening for the rumblings that signal potential market moves. It allows you to anticipate trends, react quickly to changing conditions, and make informed trading decisions. Now, I'm not saying you need to be glued to your screen 24/7, obsessively following every market update. But you should have a system for staying informed. Follow reputable financial news sources. Set up alerts for stocks you're watching and make it a habit to check market news regularly. Remember, knowledge is power in trading. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the market's twists and turns. Chapter 6. The long game. Practice, patience and avoiding FOMO. और आखिरी सीक्रेट है प्रैक्टिस और पेशेंस. ट्रेडिंग एक स्किल है जो टाइम और प्रैक्टिस के साथ डेवलप होती है. वर्चुअल ट्रेडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स का इस्तेमाल करके प्रैक्टिस करें और पेशेंस रखें. फोमो, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट से बचें और सिर्फ प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग ही ट्रेड करें. लुक दोस्त, there's no shortcut to success in trading. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. It's like learning any new skill. You wouldn't expect to become a concert pianist overnight, would you? The key is to approach trading as a journey, not a sprint. Start by educating yourself, then practice your skills on virtual trading platforms. These platforms allow you to trade with virtual money, giving you the opportunity to test your strategies, make mistakes, and learn without risking real capital. As you gain experience, start small with your real trades. Don't get caught up in the hype, chasing quick profits, or trying to get rich quick. Focus on developing your skills, building your confidence, and gradually increasing your trading size as you become more consistent. And remember, patience is your superpower in trading. Don't let FOMO, the fear of missing out, drive your decisions. Stick to your trading plan, wait for the right opportunities, and avoid making impulsive trades that you'll regret later. Outro. Your journey to trading success starts now. तो दोस्तों, ये थे कुछ सीक्रेट्स जो आपको एक सक्सेसफुल इंट्राडे ट्रेडर बनने में मदद कर सकते हैं. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But the rewards are worth it. The ability to take control of your financial future, to generate consistent income from the markets, that's a powerful thing. So, stay focused, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें और हमारे चैनल द रियल गोल्स को फॉलो करें यूनिक कंटेंट के लिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. धन्यवाद.